In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see your lists on X, also known as Twitter, in just a few simple clicks. This is a super easy process, and once you know where to look, you'll be able to access all of your lists much faster. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open x.com in your browser or launch the X app if you're on Mobile. Once you're on the main screen, look at the left navigation bar. If you don't see the full menu right away, click More. This opens up additional options that are hidden from the main sidebar. After clicking More, you'll see a list of extra features and settings. From here, click Lists. This is the section where X keeps all of your saved lists in one place. Once you open lists, you'll be able to see your existing lists, browse any new lists you've created, and manage everything from there. That's really all there is to it. If you were wondering where your lists went, now you know exactly how to find them. Just click More in the left navigation bar, then click Lists, and you're in. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.